In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Vocaroo to create your recording. The first thing you will need to do is go to your browser and go to vocaroo.com. Then you will come to this page. So from here, it's pretty simple. In order to start recording, all you need to do is press the record button here. If a notification like this pops up, make sure you click on Allow so that Vocaroo has access to your microphone. Once the timer starts counting down, you will know that your recording has started. In order to finish recording, press the stop button here. When you see this, you can actually press the play button to listen to what you have recorded and check that your entire audio has been recorded clearly. In order to save this recording, what you need to do is to click Save and Share first. Then you will see this pop up. If there are no issues with your recording, you're happy with it, you need to save it. You can click here to copy your link. So it says here, copied link to clipboard. Do not click delete or your audio will be permanently deleted and you will not be able to find it again. So once you have copied this link, you need to send this link to your teacher. You can also keep a copy of the link for your own reference so that you can refer to it in future as well. If you would like to make a new recording, all you need to do is click on this button here and the new recording starts. And you repeat the process. So once I finish recording, I press stop, I click save and share, I check my recording, and I copy the link. Don't forget to send the link to your teacher so she can mark your response. That's the end of this video. Thank you.